What's up guys, Charles from TreeTanksDev. Welcome to a new video, and right now I'm filming on the iPhone 12 Pro Max using the US Key Vision V-Master Vlogging Kit. I'm using the shotgun mic, the LED light with the diffuser, and I'm putting it on a tripod using the ultra wide angle lens. So how does it look? How's the audio quality of this shotgun mic? I will be coming up with a full review on this device, so be sure to check it out. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications button. But today's video will be on the GoPro Hero 9. This, guys, is basically pretty late update. This version 1.5 firmware update for the GoPro Hero 9, actually enabling this GoPro Hero 9 to use the GoPro Audio Adapter. So I just found it out, and at the same time I'm using the Ulanzi G9-4. This is a case for Ulanzi for a very nice vlogging setup. There's actually this nice case and a location where you can actually put your audio adapter in, so everything looks really nice and neat. So I'm going to show you how to set it up, and we'll test out the audio quality as well on the GoPro Hero 9 with the Rode Wireless Go. So let's go. Alright, so this is the Ulanzi G9-4 for the GoPro Hero 9. So the first thing you gotta do is on your GoPro Hero 9, you actually need to remove this door. So just rip it out like that, expose the battery, and then that's all for the GoPro 9. And then for this one, you actually need to remove the front cover so that it exposes the lens, and this side, the door, you need to open it up as well. And on the top here as well, you need to open it up, and with this door open, you can actually slide in the GoPro 9 just like that. Close it. On this side as well, you can close it. Make sure that you can see your USB port, USB-C port. Okay, so you got the audio adapter, which if you don't have, you need to purchase it online, any of your shops or your GoPro website. This will cost maybe between 80 bucks, 70 to 80 bucks. Really expensive audio adapter, but this is all that is able to work on the GoPro 9. So slot it in, make sure that the wire pops out like this. Pull it and plug in the cable here. Very nice and simple. And over here, if you got your shotgun mic, for myself, I'm using the Rode Wireless Go. You got a hot shoe mount on top. Slot it in and plug in the the 3.5 millimeter cable into your audio adapter, and then you're all good to go. What's up guys, Charles from TreeTanksDev. Welcome to a new video, and today we're taking a look at the GoPro Hero 9 with its latest firmware update version 1.52, and this enables the GoPro audio adapter to work with the GoPro Hero 9, which previously it couldn't. It now works with any shotgun mic or any wireless lavalier like I'm using right now, the Rode Wireless Go. And how's the audio quality sound? Is it any good? Not so sure if you can actually change the preamps on the GoPro 9. I don't think there are any preamps, but you can adjust the volume on your wireless lavalier itself. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Yep, how does the audio quality sound? Is it any good? Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video on the Ulanzi G9-4 and also testing out the audio quality on the GoPro Hero 9 with the Rode Wireless Go. So hit the subscribe button, like button, and the notifications button. Be sure to check out my next video where I'll be doing a full review on this US Key Vision vlogging kit. So stay tuned and see you in the next one. Peace.